Little Acey, oh, oh, oh. Little Acey, oh, 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 oh.
Good morning, friends. Let's make the bed. First, I'll fix the sheets. And now the pillows. All done. Every day, I make my bed. Now I am going to brush my teeth. Time to brush my teeth. This makes my teeth shiny. Now it's time to take a bath. Now to pack my bag for school. All ready! Wow! Now all things done, let's go to school now. But let's have breakfast first. We all should eat breakfast before going to school. Let's make it a habit, but before that, always wash your hands with soap. Time for breakfast. All clean. Yay, thanks. Wow, this looks so yummy. I can't wait to try it. Delicious. Okay, plate in the sink.
Friends, let's make it a habit to keep the plates in the sink and then wash your hands.
Okay. All things done, now let's get going to the school. Bye, everyone. Friends, I hope you all have learned the good habits and you will follow it every day and be kind and respectful. Bye, see you later.